Now, that doesn't work either.
Why are you stopping? Your sweet nectar. I need it.
I just can't think of anything, Mr. YouTube algorithm monster machine thing. Please don't be mad at me.
I need a video now! Quickly! Off the top of your head, give me a trendy topical idea that I may devour! Quickly!
Well, maybe,
Now!
Will Smith spanking Chris Rock's ass instead of smack him in the face.
I heard what you said about my wife.
It was just a joke!
I'm about to make your ass as bare as her head.
That's too inappropriate! That is cause for demonetization! The way you did his voice and the pacing made it feel like odd sexual tension!
Ho, ho, ho! Hello? New friend, you're sure up late. Are we having a slumber party? Where are all your friends? We can finger paint, tell stories, drink fizzy fast until our heads explode, and then stay up all night! There is only one rule. Keep the lights on. On. On.